Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Discord account to new phone with 2FA backup codes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Discord account to a new phone with two-factor authentication backup codes, start by installing the Discord app on your new device. Open the app once it has been installed. On the welcome screen, tap on Login. Enter your Discord email and password. After entering your credentials, you will be prompted for your two-factor authentication code. Since you're using a new phone, locate your backup codes that you generated when setting up two-factor authentication on your original device. If you don't have them saved, you'll need to access your old phone or the method you used for two-factor authentication, like an authenticator app. Once you have your backup code, enter it into the Discord login screen. If the code is correct, you will successfully log into your Discord account. Now that you're logged in, it's a good idea to set up two-factor authentication on your new phone for future logins. To do this, go to your user settings by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Select Privacy and Safety from the list of options. Scroll down to find two-factor authentication. Tap on Enable two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions to scan the QR code with your new authenticator app. Once done, you will be given a new set of backup codes. Make sure to save these codes in a secure location. Your Discord account is now successfully transferred to your new phone, with two-factor authentication set up for addition. Now you're ready to enjoy using Discord on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.